In the name of Allah, the most gracious and merciful. We are currently in the underprivileged region of District Sangar, Sindh, Pakistan. This impoverished village is plagued by inflation, unemployment, and poverty, leaving many deserving individuals, including orphans, widows, disabled, and helpless people, in distress. They struggle to make ends meet, often lacking basic necessities for daily sustenance. To support these vulnerable individuals, a ration initiative has been organized with the cooperation of donors. We appeal to you to contribute to this noble cause through your zakat, sadaqah, and donations. These poor, needy, and helpless people eagerly await your support to alleviate their struggles amidst inflation and unemployment. May Allah bless all the donors who support these marginalized communities. Let's join hands to contribute to this noble cause and help those in need. May Allah reward all the donors abundantly.